In today's video, I am going to teach you how to animate your email signature and Gmail profile picture. To get started, open Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the account where you want the animation to appear. In the top right, click the Settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will open. From there, click See All Settings, so you can access the full list of options. You will land on the General tab, which is where Gmail keeps signature settings. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. If you already have a signature, click into the signature box so the cursor is placed where you want the animated image to appear. If you do not have one yet, create a signature first, then place your cursor in the area where the image should go. Now click the Insert Image icon in the Signature Editor toolbar. This is the option Gmail uses to add an image directly into your signature. Upload your GIF file, and once it appears in the signature box, take a moment to confirm it looks the way you expect. A helpful tip is to use a small, lightweight GIF so it loads quickly and does not distract from your message. When you are ready, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This part is important because Gmail will not apply the updated signature until you save. Next, you will set an animated Gmail profile picture. Stay in Settings and scroll until you find the My Picture area. Click About Me. This will open your Google profile page where your account photo can be updated. On that page, click your current profile photo. Then click Change, and upload the GIF you want to use as your new profile image. After the upload finishes, confirm the change so the new image is applied to your account. Once it is saved, your animated GIF will be used as your profile picture anywhere Gmail displays your account photo, and your animated signature will appear on new emails based on your signature settings. And that is all there is to it.